Hi, my name is Sahar. I work for Child and Family Health, and I'm here to give you some information about my organization and what we can do for you. When you have a baby in any hospital in South Australia, you are asked to give consent whether you would like us to contact you after you go home. If you've given that consent, shortly after your discharge, we will give you a call and we will offer you a visit by one of our nurses to come and see you and baby at home. In this visit, we'll help you with feeding, if you need help with feeding, whether breastfeeding or bottle feeding. We'll help you with settling, and we'll link you up to other services as you need. We also are going to do the first health check, which is the 1 to 4 weeks health check in the blue book you are given in the hospital. And we will be seeing you again if we need to see you. Depends on what happens in the first visit. Our phone number is on the back of the blue book. It's next to Child and Family Health, 1300 number, and you can call us from anywhere in South Australia. When you do, you will get your local clinic, and that's the clinic we'll be linking you to. Also, we'll be giving you information about immunization and where you can go for immunization, and we will be giving you information about play groups and other services in your area. If you had a baby overseas or interstate, we still can offer you services as long as your baby is under 5 years. So we offer services for families from the time they have the baby up to the 5 years of age. So if you don't have a blue book for your child because a child was born overseas, we are happy to give you one. If the baby or a child was born interstate, we are also happy to give you a blue book and we start seeing your child and do whatever is needed for your child. We can help you with settling and we can help you with health checks. There are certain health checks in the book and required to be done, and we are happy to do the health checks for you. There are 2 health checks in the books and needs to be done by a GP, and we'll be talking to you about that. We support you with learning how to keep your baby safe and safe sleep, and we talk to you about that whether when we come to see you at home or when you come and see us in the clinic. If you have any other issues related to down the track solids or how to keep your baby healthy or any other issues related to your child, we are happy to talk to you about. Also related to our service is Parent Helpline, and it's part of our service. You can call them to get an advice on any issues you are facing with your baby or child. And they are working 24/7, so you can call them at any time of day or night. And with us, we have social workers, physiotherapists, psychologists, and family support workers. So if we see a need for you to be referred to any of those professionals, we'll be talking to you about and offering their service to you. Our clinics are all over South Australia, so wherever you live, there is a local clinic to you. It's just a matter of knowing which clinic belongs to your area. And we also do health checks for preschool. So before children start school, we can do a health check to check on the child's hearing and vision. And we respond to any needs at all. If you come and talk to us about any issues concerning you about your child, we are happy to help you with. Within our service, we also have Torrens House, where we refer moms to stay for a few days to help with issues like breastfeeding, if that's not happening, or to help with settling. If a mom has a very unsettled baby, they can help them to learn how to settle their baby. We have different teams respond to different needs of families, and just that initial contact with you, whether we go and see you at home or you come and see us in the clinic, it helps us to assess your needs, and then we can respond to those needs accordingly. We help you to understand your baby and their needs and to respond in the best way possible, and that's to just promote healthy development for babies and young children. So please come and see us, and we can help you with whatever issues you have. Thank you.